In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to access Permission Manager. When you're ready, you can tap on one of your options that you wish to manage, like Camera, and tap on one of your apps under one of those categories. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I will go from not allowed one. Last but not least, click on one of those options to apply the best one. Allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I won't pick the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome app just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this browser. You can also select any option and look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go into Calendar just to access my Gmail. Now, don't tap on any of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!